Number 3 says, use the Venn diagram to answer the following questions. Numbers indicate the cardinality of each region. So this 5 means that there are 5 elements in that region. Now the questions are going to be worded as sentences, and we need to know what certain words mean. So the word or means union. The word and means intersection, and the word not means complement. Part A says, how many elements belong to set A? So those are all of the elements in the A circle. So 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2, which is 15. Part B says, how many elements belong to set B, but not set A? So it has to be inside of B, but outside of A. And that would be the 6 and the 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Part C says, how many elements belong to set A or set B? So we see the word or, which means union. So the union of A and B is the 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, and 3. Which is 24. Part D says, how many elements belong to set A and set B? So the word and means intersection, which would be these regions. So 1 plus 7, which is 8. How many elements belong to set A and set C, but not set B? So it's the intersection of A and C, and we have to be outside of B. Which would just be the 2. How many elements belong to set A or set C, but not to set B? So this one is a union, and it has to be outside of B. So that would be the 5, the 2, and the 10. How many elements belong to exactly one of these sets? So these can't be in any of the intersections, which would be 5, 6, and 10. Which would be 21.